How to fix TikTok monetization option not showing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection and make sure you meet the requirements for TikTok monetization program. Now open up the Play Store. Now search for TikTok. Now update the application to the latest version and open up your settings. Now go to apps and tap on app management. Now search for TikTok. Now click on force stop and go to storage uses and tap on clear data. Now restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also and for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.